In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit links in Kit. Whether you're working on a broadcast email or a sequence, editing your links is an important way to keep your messages accurate, track clicks, and trigger the right automations. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly how to update both the destination URL and any link triggers attached to that link step by step. First, open the email you want to edit inside Kit. This can be either a one-time broadcast or part of an automated sequence. Once you're in the email editor, find the text or image that already has a link on it or that you'd like to update. To begin editing, click and drag to highlight the linked text or simply click on the image that contains the link. As soon as you do this, you'll see a small floating toolbar appear right above or near your selection. On that toolbar, look for the link icon, which looks like a small chain. Go ahead and click that icon to open the link settings. Inside the link settings, you'll see a field for the URL. This is the web address that the link will send people to when they click. If you just want to change where that link goes, simply edit the URL in this field. Make sure you paste or type the full correct web address and double-check for typos. A small mistake here can send subscribers to the wrong page or a broken link, so it's worth taking an extra second to confirm it looks right. Now, if your link is also being used as a trigger for automations, you'll see an option related to link triggers. Look for the lightning bolt icon within the link settings. Click that icon to view or change the automation rule attached to this specific click. From here, you can switch the rule to a different automation, adjust which workflow it starts, or remove the trigger if you no longer need it. This is especially useful when you update a link to point to a new page, change campaigns, or want to track different subscriber actions. Once you've finished updating either the URL, the trigger, or both, you'll need to save your changes. In the link settings, click the Add Link or Update button, depending on what you see. This confirms the changes and applies them to the email. Before you move on, it's always a good idea to preview or test your email. Send yourself a test message, click the link, and confirm it goes to the right page and fires the expected automation. That's all there is to editing links in Kit.